Hi everyone, Terri Pascarelli with MVP Realty. I'm coming to you live today on site at the Isles of Collier Preserve. Take a look around and see how lovely this Jasmine model home is. This is one of the best-selling models here at the Isles of Collier Preserve in South Naples on the south shore of Naples Bay, and it's in a community of homes that will suit any lifestyle choice that you may want to make. Coach homes, villa homes, single-family homes of multiple sizes, brought to you by Minto Communities, and just put in the most lovely natural setting. There are over 1,300 acres of natural preserve area in the community for residents to not only enjoy the modern finishes and amenities of homes like this Jasmine model, but to be able to enjoy nature observation areas, interconnected scenic paths, bike trails, waterways for kayaking. There's an amenity center, the Isles Club, that residents enjoy with a resort-style pool, lap pool, their own neighborhood bar and grill, and so much more. This is the Naples lifestyle that you've been waiting for. So let's think about the Isles of Collier Preserve and making your Naples, Florida home dreams come true. Call me, Terri Pascarelli, 239-300-6047. Let's talk today.